For the longest time, I used to believe that not taking care of ourselves means signs of maturity. That meant our priorities are straight, and somehow spending time on how exactly I looked meant I was less serious, less productive, and it was not needed. And I never questioned it. It's not strange because when did taking care of ourselves become a price that has to be earned? When did you accept it, and who taught you these things? Do you know? Even I don't. Come, let's have a discussion on that. So I was always told not to take care of how I looked. Not because looking good was unimportant, but because it was a distraction. Not just for me, but for others as well. Makeup became skincare, and skincare turned into fashion, and somehow along the way I lost myself. I stopped taking care of myself. And that's what I find really interesting about our society. Because in our society, for every single girl, makeup and vanity becomes the same thing. Trying to apply moisturizer, it becomes too much. Trying to dress up in their own way, it is trying to seek attention. And red lipstick, don't get me started over it. It is such a crime scene. It brings me down to a conclusion that Indian society loves to humble women in whatever ways they could. It makes us question our own worth. It makes us question that every single thing we are supposed to have has to be earned, be it even our worth. Because according to them, staying invisible is the only way you should be surviving in our society. Because the moment you defy that, the moment you go beyond that, you start questioning. You start questioning the norms that has been fixed for you apparently. You start going beyond that cage, the cage or the perception of a good woman, of a good girl, and somehow that won't be good for them, no? That will challenge the patriarchal system, that will challenge every single thing they had been teaching us all along. It teaches us since a young age if you want to wear even a single red lipstick, you are not a good woman. You should be married for the simple red thing, a color. Even a color has its own age and gender and priorities set to it. Do you understand how deeply rooted these things are? I'm not saying that makeup brings confidence. My point is that why do we need a justification? A justification just to exist the way we want to. Why are there so many standard norms, rules, notions around women? Why? You're not like that other girls. Why? Why am I not like other girls? I would love to be. The whole point is, why do we cage a certain perception? Why can't an intelligent woman express themselves with that glittery blue eyeshadow on their eyelids? Will that lower their IQ? No, definitely not. Then why are we so low on putting a woman through that cage? So maybe makeup was never a problem. The problem was that once we start taking care of ourselves, we start putting on that effort in ourselves, we become harder to control. We stop apologizing for the ways we exist. We start taking up space. And somehow that won't like the cage principle of society. And somehow that's the issue. Thank you. See you in the next one.